How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out your YouTube account from another devices. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube app. Then tap onto Use section on your bottom right. And as your Google account and YouTube account are same, you will see Google account. Tap onto it. Then tap onto Security tab. Scroll below. Under your devices, tap on Manage all devices. You will see all of your login details, for instance, from where you have logged in your Google account. If you see any unrecognized device, just tap Open it. Then you will be shown the option of Sign Out. Tap onto it and tap on Sign Out. And just like so, this is how you get logged out of your YouTube account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.